In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your app from Google AI Studio. If you built your portfolio, animated website, or another project using build mode, Google AI Studio keeps your full file structure organized in the workspace sidebar. That's really helpful because when you're ready to save a copy of your app to your computer, the export process is straightforward and gives you access to the project files you've been working with. To begin, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio. If you're searching for it, instead of typing the address directly, make sure you choose the official Google AI Studio result so you end up on the correct page. Once you're inside, find the My Apps section and click on it. This area shows the apps you've already created, so it's the right place to go when you want to reopen an existing project and download its files. Next, locate the specific app you want to export and click to open it. Give it a few seconds to load completely so all of the available project options appear properly before you move on. After the app opens, click on Code. This switches you into the code view, which is where the export tools are available. If your app was created in build mode, this view is especially useful because it gives you access to the complete project structure, not just the visual version of the app. From there, click Export. This will open the export options for your project and let you choose how you want to save the files. Finally, select Download as zip file. Google AI Studio will package your app into a zip archive and download it to your computer. Once the download finishes, you can find the zip file in your Downloads folder, extract it, and start reviewing or editing the files locally. And that's all there is to it. You've now downloaded your app from Google AI Studio, including the file structure created in build mode.